Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to continue from where I stopped yesterday. If this is the first time you are joining, welcome in. My name is Tolu. I'm here to show you how to make money online. And I have a previous video which you might like to go and check out, which talks about AI, how to make money with AI. So this is like a continuity. So I'm going to continue, and today I'm going to be covering the store that you will be listing your products. I'm going to be covering the vendor you're going to make use of. So let's get into it. So this is one of the designs we had yesterday, grace over grind. So what I would like you to do is to download this design that ChatGPT helped us to generate. We're going to download this. Yeah, so we download, we save it. This will be good for our mock-up on our t-shirts. And so you save it. Let's just put grace over grind. Then you save it. So you save our design. You can also have it in other colors of t-shirts, right? You can have it in other colors. So apart from this, we're going to close this and also generate more design. So yesterday, I was able to have this anointed plus unapologetic, but the plus that was there is not visible. So I had to regenerate so it can look like this. Then we have our pink color. I'm just trying to see which t-shirt color is going to be best for this design. So I keep on generating, and now I will be going with pure black. And this pure black, now what we need to tell ChatGPT to do is for ChatGPT to create a mock-up for us, right? So create a mock-up of a lady wearing a pink t-shirt with the above design. Design on it. So we're going to wait for ChatGPT to generate this for us. Let's see how it goes. I know sometimes we have a lot of people making use of ChatGPT, but patience is key, right? So be patient for ChatGPT to generate that image that you would like to have so that we can have this on our store. So I think we have like 5 designs thereabouts. So I might get up to the 5 designs. If not, you can stop on 2 or 3, then we are good to go. So let's see the image that ChatGPT is generating for us. Let's see. I can't wait. Yeah. It may take a moment. So you need to wait, be patient. We're almost there. We're almost there. Can you see this? This looks so good on her, right? Even halfway that I'm saying, oh, this is beautiful. The only thing that we need is for ChatGPT to reduce the size of the design to 9 by 10. Yes, let's give ChatGPT this prompt. Um, looks like the design is too wide on the t-shirts. Make this design 9 by 10 inches. So another thing you can do is to have a lady wearing this, a model wearing this in pink. Then you take your model to Canva for you to place your design on it. So now it's kind of giving me code. I actually don't need this code. Generate the image. Give it a prompt. Generate the image. So I think with that, ChatGPT is going to give us the image. You see, prompting right is very key. Yeah, so I kind of forget to put the image in our prompt, but now that I have it, it's going to give it to me. So let's see what we have on this, right? Let's see how it looks like. So this particular design, you can have it on your, oh, it's generating the design alone. Generating the design alone. It's okay. So I'll just tell ChatGPT to generate an image of a lady wearing pink with no design. Generate an image of a lady wearing blank pink t-shirt. Let's see what it's going to come up with. Be a little patient because it's still generating the one up there. Let's see. It might take time, but hopefully we have a good model for our pink t-shirt. Okay, yeah, this looks beautiful. Absolutely. So what we are going to do, I talked about Canva. What we're going to do is for us to save both images, right? So we're going to save the model. We save the model. Pink model. Save this. Pink model. Save. Then we also save the design, right? The design we had earlier. Let me go up. Yes, the unapologetic in black. So unapologetic, anointed and unapologetic, we also need to download this. Need to download this and save. So anointed design. Yeah. So this is the design we have here. Then we need to go to Canva. This is Canva. Yesterday I was playing with this. So I can always delete this, delete. If you don't have a Canva account, it's good to have one because it's used by creatives, like people like me that design. We do mockups, we do ebooks, templates of different types. So you can make use of that and also turn it into cash because in this digital world, people are creating digital products using Canva. So it's a good thing to have. What you need to do now is for us to upload this. You upload the design as well as the mockup. Yeah, so we need both, 1 and 2. Open. So it will go straight to our Canva. Then what I need you to do is first of all pick the lady, expand this, expand this, You see, yeah. Yes, so after which you pick the design. So this design is with a background, right? You see that it's with a background. So you cannot have your t-shirt printed like this. It's not going to look good. Imagine it's like you having a paper on your shirt, right? So what we do is you click on this and you remove background. So you remove the background and we have it this way. You move it a little upward and you see that it is well centered, right? It is well centered. Then this is how our t-shirt will look like. If it looks too big, we can always reduce it. I think let's reduce this. Yeah, and a little upward here. So we have our mock-up. Our model is already wearing it. Then we save this. Save this by sharing on your Canva. We download PNG. We download this and still save it. So it's going to save in my file. Yes, so model. Let me just save this. Then another thing I need to do is to size the design. So this size, we need it in 9 by 10. I need it in 9 by 10 because, or either 9 by 10 if I'm doing that on for myself. Yes, 9 by 10 if I'm printing for myself, like something I'm wearing now. I did this morning. I printed on my shirt, and I also have some samples here. Can you see? Ebook made me do it. So this is in transparent background. This is how your design is going to look like. Once you paste it on place it on your shirt, you press it and it stays there. So your vendor is going to take care of those instead of you printing on shirt by yourself. I also have hoodie or something like this, right? So I did this. I can print myself because I have the inventory. I love to work with my hands. I have my machine as well. But for you, if you don't want to stress yourself with buying equipment, then you can always give it to your vendor. So today, which of the vendors are we making use of? We are making use of Printify. Have you heard about Printify before? So Printify is going to be our vendor. I have it opened already. So this is our Printify. All you need to do, create an account with Printify. After creating your account, then you go to catalog. We have under catalog, we have a lot of products. Here we have our bestseller, we have t-shirts, we have hoodies, we have sweatshirts, long sleeve, tank top, skirt and dress, sportswear, bottom, swimwear. Yeah, it's summer, right? So you can always customize some and have it on your swimwears. Yeah, we have our t-shirts, long sleeve, baby clothing, sportswear, bottom orders. Yeah, beauty, supplement, we have bags, socks, hats, and different types of products here. So what I need to do, since it's summer, right? So we are working with t-shirts. I'm going to be picking t-shirts. I will be picking my t-shirt. Yeah. And we see that this is our bestseller. This is like a bestseller. So I'll pick this bestseller. Yeah, Comfort Color. They are very good brand that you can try out. After which you click on start designing. If you have embroidery, if your design, you want it like embroidery. So embroidery is more like they use a lot of wool to like different type of thread, right, on machine to create all this instead of using it in DTF, using this with it, they use a machine, it's like they use a machine on it to make it look beautiful. Just that I don't have a sample here, right? So you start designing. So if you start designing, the design we had before is telling us that our print area should be 4,494 by 5 4,097. So let's have it here. 4,000, because I'm going to go out of this uh, Printify to Canva. So 4,494 by 5. Yes. So this design, this is the production cost from $12 to 17.45. Yes. So, and 41 of those products are out of stock. So some are in stock, and you can always pick your colors here. We have different colors, different variants. You can pick from here: granite, we have pepper, we have sage, we have red. Whatever color you like to pick, right? They are here. So just that I'm not sure if they have, yeah, okay. You can go with all this for a pinkish kind of crunch berry, heliconia. So the sizes are, they don't have, I think they have 0, uh, this particular one. So let's see. So that you can go with this hot. Let's go with blazon. So they have small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL, up to 4XL. Up to 4XL. So what you need to do is to go to our Canva where our design is. So this design now we need to resize. You resize this to, you customize this size to, let me see if I had that size before. 444. No. So I don't have this size. It should be in pixel. I think pixel. Is it in pixel? Let me check. Yes, pixel. It's on pixel. Then make the design. Four four 94 by 5094. So 5094, right? So this is our design. Then 5094. This is what we needed. So copy and resize. It's going to resize it for us. So we open for us to be able to place it on the mock-up on Printify, because Printify are the one that are going to print this. So you need it on Printify. You will see how I'm going to go about it. But the model we had will be on your Etsy store, right? You upload it on your Etsy. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like for our sizing. Then we need to share. We need to share this size, download. Please note, when you are downloading this type of design, you need to have it in a transparent background. So you download in transparent background. Yeah, it's downloading right now. Yeah, so the design is downloaded. Let me just put it on print. Let me save it as Printify. Printify. Then save it. Then we go back to Printify. So this Printify, we have, if you want to have a design in the back side, you can also do the same, right? So yeah, this is our pink. Should we go with this pink, or it's kind of too pink? Let's see. Let's pick new one that is a little light in color. Yeah, let me go with blue one. Okay, this is perfect, right? This is perfect. Then all you need to do right now is for you to, yeah, it's for you to upload your design that we saved from your device. You upload this. This is our design. Open. Yes, so it's placing it, and make sure your design is not out of this border, right? Just like this. This is how we want it. Then once we have this done, all you need to do is to save your product. I don't know if you can see the save button. We have it here. You save your products. We are going with Blossom. Should we go with the Sherry? No, we don't want the Sherry. We can also go with which other color? Let me try the blue. Yeah, this looks beautiful. This look beautiful, right? You can go with that. Then you save your product just to design. This is just for illustration purpose. You can decide to pick the whole color if you like, right? So let's save it. So let's get it ready to sell. Fulfilled by print choice. So this is how much it's going to cost. Yeah, 12 point something. So, but now I need to, yes. So start, make your product truly shine. Yeah, so these are our models, right? Skip the top. These are our model. They can look this way. It's a little big here. I don't know how if I want it to be. Yeah. So this can be model for the Printify, right? So if you wish, you can always download. You can download this. If you don't have a model, like a mock-up for your this thing, you can download this, download and make use of it. But I don't need to do that, right? So we have this in white, in pink. Now pink, we have it as well. So if you don't want this, you can always delete them as well, right? You can delete if you don't want a male version for a pink shirt, or it all depends on your preference. So if you don't want ladies wearing blue, you can decide to delete. So yeah, so once you are done, you save the selection, save everything. Yes, save it. So you save. Once you save, let's save the selection. You're saving. Yeah, share what your product. Share what makes your product unique. Continue. Yeah. So and then listen, we say hi. I'm fine. So you can decide to make use of AI like ChatGPT to write you a product title, anointed unapologetic t-shirt, faith-based apparel. You can, this is SEO compliant because everything is just picking it. It can be for gifts, for Christian, unisex, motivational, faith-based, and just like that. So if this is okay for you with all this color, you go ahead and continue, right? But if it's not okay, you can always add your own for the description. You continue. Then, yeah, craft pricing, continue. We have the prices. If you like those prices, you leave it like that. If you want it to be more, but Printify will always charge their own price. So everything is here. I don't need to do any adjustments. Then from there, what we need to do, you publish. You publish this. Mm. So you can always connect this to your store. But because this is not my niche currently, right? So this is not my niche. If it's my niche, then I connect it directly to Etsy. Yes, I'm just doing this for illustration purpose. Uh, but I'm not actually having this on my store. Yeah, this is my product now. This is the product. This is how it's going to look like. Yes, you have it already. The design, whatever niche you want to focus on, you can have it. Then the list will go down, like a lot of lists, right? So that's how you put your stuff together. We have different types of, uh, if you go on Etsy, you can also get inspiration from there for like Christian shirts, different types of t-shirts. You can have it there. Then, yeah, let me just type t-shirt. That will bring it out. Yeah, so we have different shirts, right? If you see some that are beautiful, you can always recreate, like recreate, not you copying, not you using their design directly, using their design word for word, or just copying the design. No, don't do that. Recreate your own, have your own design. ChatGPT can help you with that. So once you are done, you list your products, everything ready to ship, right? So once your customer comes on Etsy, they place their order, add to basket, after which Printify is going to fulfill that order, then ship it to your customer. You are not going to touch anything. So that is it for today. I hope you love the video. And if you want more of this type of videos, this type of content, please do follow me. Yes, let's make this back together. Yeah, we got this. So it's time to make the money. So thank you all for joining. See you on the next video. Bye.